Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I changed the pull cord on my Honda lawnmower. So when the pull cord breaks, I find it to be fairly simple. You can just buy a new pull cord. I grabbed this really nice handle here. This one was at Lowe's. This was at Lowe's for like $9.98, but it's a really nice handle on it. And so let's get started. So before we get started, it is recommended to unplug the spark plug. So for mine, it's a 3/8 nut on top. So this is just going to lift right off. See how simple? That's it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is get my cord ready. They in the instructions will tell you to cut this wire to the same length as your old one. But if your old one's been, ripped before or broken or whatever, you might not know the exact length, but if you still have bits and pieces of it, you could. So basically what you're doing is you're going to be tying a knot on the end. If you have a way of sealing the knot by burning it or whatever, they recommend something of that nature, but I'm going to just tie a knot and pull it through the end here. Okay, so I just pulled it through. So you just, again, I just pushed the knot part in here and then just pulled it through. Usually you would just have a hole where you put the string through and pull it through the other end, but this was a little different the way they wanted it done. Anyways, moving on. So you want to have some kind of a needle nose pliers or something, because what you have to do is pull out the old string here. So you can actually I can start off here by hand. Okay. Sometimes, depending on how much is left, you might have to pull it out with the needle nose pliers. Now, let's see if we can get. See this, I'm kind of lucky right now. This one's pretty easy to get out. Now, pay attention to where this had gone in, because we're going to use this same spot. So, just so you can see where it was. So it was a knot on the end, and it was pulled in there. Okay. And ultimately, what we're going to be doing is, and I'll show you in a minute. Let me first pull this out. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing is rotating this counterclockwise, and it's spring-loaded, so you got to be careful you don't let go. You're going to keep going until it's tight, and that's where you're going to want to have a screwdriver to put in there. It'll keep it from winding back real quick. So I'm going to just do this until it's tight. You can feel the pressure building up on it. Okay. Feels pretty tight there. I think that's it. Yep, that is it. So at this point I'm putting a screwdriver or something in there. Keep from going any further. And actually, where's the hole? The hole's over here, so I gotta let it go. I gotta let it, so this is where the string would be coming out here, okay? So you want that to be lined up with this spot here where it's going to go in. So I'm going to be very careful to slowly. I'm going to have to let it out a little bit so it lines up with that spot, which is right there. So actually I'm going to put it right there. Approximately right there. So I don't know if you can see. That's where it'll pretty much line up. So let's get the new string here. So I'm going to feed that through here. There. So I just got it through. I don't want to pull it out and do it again, but okay. So now I'm going to use my needle nose just to grab that. Yay! Okay. So now that I'm going to tie a knot on there. Sorry, tough with the camera in the way here. So I'm just going to pull it through so I have more excess. I don't have to hurt my back bending over here. I'm going to tie a knot. Good knot. And again, it should be whatever your desired, whatever the length, not desired, whatever the length is that you need. I'm guessing, because I'm not sure how much, I probably have too much here to be honest. And I'll probably have to readjust something. But, we'll see. Okay, so. I've got my knot, pulling it back through, so that's there. That's all good, ready to go. The next part's going to be fairly easy. I'm going to hold on so it doesn't let go. I'm going to pull out my screwdriver, and I'm going to slowly let that feed back in. So no more. Okay. Yep, that's about right. So I'm going to need a little bit. I still need a little bit for going up to my handle. So let's go to the next step. Okay. Okay, so obviously the next step is going to be pretty easy. We're just reattaching. Make sure that lines up with everything. We're going to install the bolts back on. Okay, so that's done. Okay, and the next part's even easier. We're just going to take that extra little bit of handle and I'm going to put it through my hanger here. And just put it through the you should call it the hanger thing here. And I'm all done. There. All set. And then I put the spark plug back in. But again, this is how I do it. If you're not sure of what you're doing, definitely seek a professional. Alright, thanks for watching Discover with Dave. Please subscribe, please like, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.